The baking process of Color Schemer is fairly simple. Still, I would like to point out some places where you might run into trouble. The most common mistake is that when you select your model and go to Window, Color Scheme Baker, and select the number of channels in your model, you actually selected something that is not using the material with the Color Schemer shader. This is indicated in the console and it tells you your material is not using Color Schemer shader for channels. This is because when I selected it, it actually selected the parent in the hierarchy, and this is the component that actually uses this material. Now, when I try to bake it, it says texture channel 4 is empty. Use black texture if you want to leave it this way. That means that you cannot leave an empty slot, and if you want to preserve the look and not add anything else, you would simply add a completely black texture. Now, if I try to bake it, it throws a Unity exception telling me that texture black is not readable. This is because I didn't change the import settings. So in the import settings, you would find it like this, and you would go to Advanced and click on Read Write Enabled, then Apply. Once you've done this, you select your model, Color Schemer Baker, and then your number of channels. And now it created a new folder which contains an already mapped copy of your mesh, the texture you generated, and the new material with the baked version of the shader that uses only your atlas but preserves the same values for your colors and the same controls than in your original shader. I hope this was useful. See you.